Listen what me I try to say to you. Listen what me I say. Listen what me I try to say. I said this for live with 2,000 people there. The way I take care of Zai and the one little argument me and you have, and you don't make Zai call me and wish me happy Father's Day, that shit hurt my fucking heart, bad man. The way I take care of the little man, bad man, and the thing you call me for that, I give the man. And because me have a little argument, you call me and tell me, make him and tell me happy Father's Day, that shit fucked up. And you teach me, say, you don't care what matter is, a good father is, you're going to always be a fucked up baby mother, brother. Because me do everything in my blood clot, yeah, I say, bro, you don't make the man call me because me and you have an argument. Me and you have an argument. Me and Zai don't have an argument. And me go all out, brother. And dog, you don't make the little youth call me and wish me happy Father's Day. That shit hurt. So if you want to have the message, yeah, because you claim say you are play the role big man thing, bro. You need to stop with them little dirty thing there. Dog. Dog. Dog, you just get... Yo, dog.